In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in your PayPal account if your PayPal interface is currently showing in a language you'd prefer to change. The good news is that this is a quick adjustment and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process so you can update your account language smoothly and without confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account and on the main account summary page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where PayPal keeps your account preferences and profile options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your settings. After the settings area opens, look for the language section. This is where PayPal lets you manage the display language used across your account. Click on Language to continue. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the profile or account settings page carefully, since the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or region. Once you open the language option, you'll be shown a list of available languages. At this point, simply choose the language you want to use for your PayPal account. Take a moment to select the correct one, especially if several options look similar or if you're switching to a regional variation of a language. After you make your selection, PayPal will automatically update the language for your account. In most cases, you won't need to press a separate save button. The change should apply right away, and you'll see the interface refresh using your newly selected language. If the updated language doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or navigating back to your account summary. That can help confirm the change has taken effect. Also, if you're using the mobile app or a mobile browser, the placement of the settings menu may look a little different, but the general process is the same. Open settings, find language, choose your preferred option, and let PayPal update it automatically. And that's all it takes to change the language in your PayPal account. It's a simple setting, but it can make your account much easier to use and understand, especially if you're more comfortable browsing in a different language. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.